This outbreak has reminded us to never take for granted healthcare professionals and the job they are trained to do. Tonight, Greg Argos introduces you to a nurse who is selflessly giving back. Also, Greg has word of a major retailer making a big change in Philadelphia because of the outbreak.
Developing now in the city, all Philadelphia-based Wawas announcing they will stop serving made-to-order food starting at 5 a.m. tomorrow. This because of COVID-19 concerns. This information coming after a gorgeous spring day here in the city of Philadelphia. Very tempting to step outside, but city officials say inside is the safest place to be. The beauty of Thursday afternoon overshadowed by the seriousness of Philadelphia's COVID-19 outbreak.
Sun may be shining, but the threat of the pandemic is just as strong. So I remind folks again, stay inside, please.
Thursday's numbers ever increasing.
127 new cases, bringing us to a total of 475 since the beginning of the epidemic.
And city officials say keeping coronavirus cases as low as possible is why the shelter-at-home order is still in place.
Many of you have seen the terrifying videos of overloaded hospitals in Spain and Italy. Now New York is facing that reality. We don't want Philadelphia to be the next major city in that situation.
Everybody should be a little nervous.
John Muccatelli is a volunteer and registered nurse with the Philadelphia Medical Reserve Corps. He's stationed at the testing site at Citizens Bank Park in South Philly.
I'm collecting nasopharyngeal swab material.
And he says the dozens, if not hundreds of people who are tested daily are grateful to have an answer, which helps ease their anxiety.
They're looking for reassurance one way or the other.
Like the mayor and health officials, he expects there to be more and more cases as community spread continues throughout Philadelphia.
Social distancing, wash your hands, stay away from people.
But he plans to continue volunteering, one nasal swab at a time.
I love Philadelphia, and this is my way to give back.
Now, in the midst of this current health crisis here in the city of Philadelphia, officials had hoped to reopen Hahnemann Hospital to house COVID-19 patients in isolation or in quarantine. We're told this afternoon those negotiations have broken down, and now city leaders hoping other businesses can step up to house those patients. Reporting here in South Philadelphia, I'm Greg Argos, CBS 3 Eyewitness News.